spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Can we go back?